have this relationship between the parts of the brain that are responsible for controlling it. And also that's the same part of the brain that's getting information that it's going to have to store in terms of the memories that we have to gather when we're trying to figure out what we should do next in terms of problem solving. These areas start out not talking to each other so well. They do talk to each other, but emotional regulation not so great early on. These memories, these situations occur early on. We don't really have a great long-term recall. So we know that these areas that are responsible for the frontal lobe, for example, develops over a very long period of time after birth. But the initial wiring is set up so that it can influence, to some extent, emotional regulation. It's not so great early on, but that initial kind of blueprint of wiring happens in the first 3 years after birth. Actually starts a little bit before birth in the third trimester. So you have the component parts there. What you need then are experiences that are going to essentially sculpt the quality of those connections between the frontal lobe and other parts of the brain that are involved in emotional regulation. Those are all experience-dependent processes.